In this video, we will do exercise 10.2 and 10.3 of chapter Practical Geometry. Now let us start exercise 10.2. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY equals to 4.5 centimeter, YZ equals to 5 centimeter and ZX equals to 6 centimeter. Now dear student, it is according to the property side of a triangle. So here length of three sides of triangles are given. So first you draw one rough sketch, name it XYZ, and place the length that is XY equals to 4.5 centimeter given. So write down XY 4.5, YZ, the length of YZ is 5 centimeter and ZX 6 centimeter. Now according to this rough sketch, we will try to draw our main triangle. So let us start. First write down the step of construction. Draw YZ equals to 5 centimeter. So according to this rough sketch, here the base is YZ. So take a length of 5 centimeter in this way, length of 5 centimeter, and draw one line segment of 5 centimeter, name it YZ. Now with center Y, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now dear student, with the help of this scale, try to take length 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 centimeter is somewhere over here in this way, and place it on Y and draw an arc in this way, so that we will try to get this YX equals to 4.5. Now with center Z, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at point X. Now first you take 6 centimeter with the help of this compass, 6 centimeter, then place it on Z and try to draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at point X, so that we will try to get the length XZ equals to 6 centimeter. So now you can easily join wherever both the arc intersect, name it X. Now your final step is join XY and XZ, so that length of XY equals to 4.5 centimeter and length of XZ equals to 6 centimeter. So this is how we will get our triangle XYZ. Let us start another question. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5. Now dear student, here it is mentioned that the triangle is equilateral triangle. So there is no need to have the length of all three sides. As in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So draw one rough sketch and name it XYZ, and length of each side is 5.5 centimeter. So let us start it. Very simple. First you draw this base. Dear student, it's very important to and necessary to draw the rough sketch first, because by observing such rough sketch, we will try to draw our main. We will try to do our main construction. So here the base is YZ. To write down, draw YZ equals to 5.5 centimeter. So now with the help of scale, you try to draw that base of 5.5 centimeter. That is, take 5.5 centimeter with your scale. See, 5.5 centimeter. Try to draw such base from here to here. Then we center Y and Z. Now dear student, here you can write this point separately also, as both all sides are equal. So what I did, I had written both the step in one only. So we center Y and Z, means we center Y and Z. Draw an arc, draw arcs, not an arc, draw arcs of radius 5.5, means with center Y, one time on Y, first you take radius 5.5. So how to get 5.5? See here. Place your compass on scale on 5.5 and try to adjust and try to get length 5.5. Now one time you place it on Y and try to construct arc, and one time you place it on Z, try to construct arc, and which cut the previous arc at point X. Now join XY and XZ. This is how we used to get our required equilateral triangle. Now let us start sum number third. Draw triangle PQR with PQ equals to 4 centimeter, QR equals to 3.5 centimeter, and PR equals to 4 centimeter. What type of triangle is it? Now from the length we can easily say that where two sides are equal. See here, rough sketch I had drawn, name it PQR, and write down the particular length according to the condition given. So we can easily say that it is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. Now let us start. According to by observing this rough sketch, we will try to construct the main figure. Draw QR first. This QR base of length 3.5 centimeter. See here, length 3.5 centimeter here to take 3.5 centimeter. Then with center Q and R, draw arcs, not an arc. Draw arcs of radius 4 centimeter. As in this also both sides are equal, so either you write down both the steps separately, or you can in one step only you can do such. So first you take 4 centimeter. Centimeter. Now for Q you can write step separately, and for R also you can write step separately. Here what I did, both the step I have written together. So take 4 centimeter with center Q, try to construct this arc, and with center R try to construct arc of same length which get intersect each other at point P. Now try to draw PQ and PR. This is how we used to get triangle PQR as our required triangle, and by observing such triangle we can easily say that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now let us see exercise 10.3. Now let us start exercise 10.3. Construct triangle DEF such that DE equals to 5 centimeter, DF equals to 3 centimeter, and measure angle EDF equals to 90 degree. Now dear student, in the previous exercise, length of all side of triangles were given. Now in this particular exercise, length of two side and one angle is given. That is another property of triangle, that is side angle side. As I told you, try to construct rough sketch first. Now name it DEF. I had taken D over here because see, angle D is 90 degree. EDF, D is at the center, so try to take your D over here 90 degree. It should be 90 degree, and the length of DF is 3 centimeter and length of DE is 5 centimeter. This is just a rough sketch. Now by observing this rough sketch, we will try to construct our main figure. Now write down step of construction. Now first you draw this base DE of 5 centimeter. So how to get this 5 centimeter? See, as you all know, it's very simple. Try to take this 5 centimeter. Draw this line segment of 5 centimeter. Then name it DE of 5 centimeter. Then with center D, construct ray dx such that x de 90 degree. Now dear student, here either you make a use of protractor, but here we will try to construct this 90 degree with the help of our compass. Now what I will do, take any measure as I had taken and try to draw this arc, and with the same measure try to place it over here, try to intersect twice. So with first intersect we used to get 60 degree, and with the second intersecting we will get 120 degree. And now you can change your length, or with the same length you can draw the arc by placing it over here and try to draw an arc, and with the same length place it over here and try to intersect the arc. See here, don't change your measure. So here we will get wherever we used to get intersecting point. Now from there, from D you try to pass one straight line and name it ray dx. Now dear student, here after getting ray dx, it is necessary to get this F which is 3 centimeter away from D. So what I will do, with center, now with center D, try to get this length F. take point F on ray dx such that FD equals to 3 centimeter. Now it's very simple, as the length of FE is not given, but DE and DF is given, so you can easily join FE. So this is how we used to get triangle FDE is our required triangle. Now question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal side is 6.5 and the angle between them is 110 degree. Now we have to construct isosceles triangle. Now here also two side one angle given. Try to draw one rough sketch whose angle, that is I had taken ABC, triangle ABC, whose angle is 110 and the equal sides are 6.5 and 6.5. Now by observing this rough sketch we will try to construct this main triangle. Draw this base first, which is of 6.5 base, as you all know how to construct this base 6.5. Then with the help of the protector with center A, try to construct this ray AO, because with the help of the protector, because with the help of the compass it's very difficult to get 110. So it's very simple. In higher class it will come how to construct 110 degree with the help of compass, but here in lower class 110 you have to take with protector. So here, as our base, as our line is from here, so you have to observe this inner angle degrees. So from here to here, place it properly. So exit 110, which is between 105 and 100. See here 20. So exactly between you will get, that is 110 is near, see here 110. So try to construct that line, and that is ray AO. Then with center A we will try to get this point C, which is of 6.5 from A. So this you can draw with compass. Try to get 6.5. Place your point over here and try to adjust your pencil 6.5 and place it on A and try to draw arc. With single hand I am doing, so it is accurate figure. I am not getting accurate measure. So at home you can do by using both the hand. Now after getting 6.5, now try to join CB. This is your required triangle ABC. It is an isosceles triangle. Construct triangle ABC with PC equals to 7.5 cm, AC equals to 5 cm and measure angle C equals to 60 degree. Now dear student, here also two side and one angle given. Now this is a rough sketch in which measure angle C is 60 degree. So either you take A, B, C, any way you can construct here, but here I had taken this BC as a base. BC as a base, you can take AC also as a base. I had taken BC as base so that it will be easy for you to construct. Now if I had taken BC as base, so A will come over here. The length of BC is given 7.5 cm and AC is given 5 cm and measure angle C is 60 degree. Now let us start by observing this rough sketch. Now try to construct this base first of 7.5 cm. Base of 7.5 cm. Write down step, draw BC, line segment BC equals to 7.5 cm. Then as 60 is possible to get with the help of this compass. So with center C, take any measure, draw an arc of any measure, arbitrary measure. Try to draw this arc. Now at first cut always you will get 60 degree. So this is a 60 degree. Now with this 60 degree, draw one big ray, name it CX. Now observe this rough sketch. Here length of AC is there of 5 cm. You should get A over here of 5 centimeter. So place your again scale and try to take 5 centimeter. Place it on C. Try to draw this arc on ray CX, which is of 5 centimeter. Write down, take point A on ray CX such that AC equals to 5 centimeter. Now join AB. Write down join AB. This is our required